In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert DWG to KML in Civil 3D. If you want to view your CAD data in Google Earth or share a quick geographic snapshot with stakeholders, exporting to KML is a fast and effective way to do it. I'll guide you through the process, explain the key options, and share tips to make sure your export looks right the first time. Start by opening your DWG file in Civil 3D and getting the drawing ready. The most important part here is georeferencing. Make sure your drawing has the correct coordinate system assigned and that your objects, like points, polylines, surfaces, and alignments, are placed in real-world coordinates. If your data is properly referenced, it will land in the right location when you open it in Google Earth. It also helps to confirm your drawing units match your project units and to turn off or freeze layers you don't want in the export so you only send what matters. A quick zoom to your area of interest is a good sanity check to confirm the location looks correct. When you're ready to export, go to the Output tab, then Export, and choose Export to Google Earth KML. This tool will handle the coordinate transformation to the WGS84 latitude and longitude that KML uses, so you don't have to convert anything manually. Next, select the objects you want to include. You can pick specific layers, draw a window around features, or choose individual objects like surfaces and alignments. Keep in mind that very dense surfaces and highly detailed line work can create large KML files, so selecting only what you need will keep performance smooth in Google Earth. Now set the KML options. Give your export a clear layer name so it's easy to identify in Google Earth sidebar. Choose your altitude settings, clamp to ground places objects on the terrain relative to ground offsets them above the terrain by a set height, and absolute uses actual elevation values if your data carries them. Then adjust the style to control colors, line weights, and point symbols. Thoughtful styling makes your data much easier to interpret at a glance. Finally, choose a save location and file name and save the KML. Once it's created, open it in Google Earth to verify alignment, appearance, and altitude behavior. If anything looks off, revisit georeferencing in Civil 3D or tweak the altitude and style options, then export again. That's it. With a prepared drawing, the export tool, smart object selection, and clear KML options, you'll get a clean, usable KML from your DWG in minutes.